Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very interesting tool that's available online called Shopify. Now, if you are interested in a drop shipping business, then this is definitely the place for you to be. And obviously, if you haven't watched any of our videos, go to our channel and check them out. Today we're going to be talking about how you can actually get Shopify for 90 days for $1. And you can head over to the description below and click on the link and get it directly from there. Now, the thing over here that you need to understand is that Shopify is one of those platforms that can really change your fortunes and actually can bring your dreams to reality and give you the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. Now, Shopify.com is a place that has a lot of interesting elements that are available, such as customizable templates, where there are free website designs that are available to launch your store quickly and easily. And Shopify actually takes care of everything from marketing and payments to secure transaction and even shipping. Millions of users trust Shopify to manage their online stores. And that is one of the reasons why we're making this video, is to give you a complete step-by-step breakdown of exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it to ensure that you're able to set up a Shopify account and start selling instantly and having the ability to do drop shipping very simply and obviously effectively. So the first thing that you need to do is click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you'll be taken to the next page where a simple question is being asked, that which of these best describes you. And obviously this literally means that are you just starting off new, or are you already selling online or in person? So we're going to go with the option that we're just starting off and we're completely new to drop shipping. Once you have selected it, all you need to do is click on Next. After that, another question is being asked, that where are you going to sell? Is it an online store? Is it an existing website or a blog? Is it social media, online marketplace, or in person, or you're not sure? Now, the thing over here that you need to consider is where are you actually going to sell the product? And where you sell the product is crucial to what you're doing and how you want to do it. And Shopify obviously is that platform that gives you an ability to sell in person, online, or even on social media. So we're going to go for selling online, and we can create a fully customizable website by using the templates that are available and the tools that are available with Shopify. Once you have selected it, all you need to do is click on Next. After that comes the most important part, naming your store. And this is one of the places that a lot of young entrepreneurs and new dropshippers tend to make a mistake. They select a name that does not have effectiveness. They select a name that does not translate with their audience. They select a name that does not have the impact that they want to create. And obviously you need to do some research before you select the store name, because the store name literally determines the success of your business and if you're selling a product in a right way or not. And obviously always make sure that you select a name that means quality, that actually gives your audience, gives your customers, gives the person who actually lands on your drop shipping landing page an understanding and viewership that this is a product, this is a place, this is a landing page, this is a store that speaks and screams about reliability and quality. So we're going to select a name right now, just as an example. But if you have any questions or you need any clarifications, any support or assistance, you can always comment in the comment section below, and we will be more than happy to support you and guide you in selecting the perfect name for your store. After you have selected the name, all you need to do is click on Next. Once you've done that, the last step before you start your free trial is that you have to continue with your email, or continue with your Apple ID, or even with your Facebook ID, or even continue with your Gmail. So you'll select the way you want to actually continue and obviously put that information in, and then you're good to go. As you land on the landing page, on the left hand side, you're going to have your home, you're going to have your order, your product, your customers, analytics, marketing, discount, and your online store, and the different apps that are available on Shopify that can give you a competitive advantage in the industry. Now, the thing over here I want to mention, that this is a tip for everyone that is starting off dropshipping, is the two places and the two elements that you need to consider and do a lot of research and rely on heavily is analytics and marketing, because this is going to give you a complete breakdown of exactly how your dropshipping business is functioning, where your customers are coming from, and what they're doing on your landing page. Now, in the center, you're going to have your setup guides where you can add your first product, you can add your assets, you can add a custom domain, and even customize your theme. And after that, you can actually explore the support. And this is one of the reasons I I highly recommend Shopify because they have one of the best supports that are available. Their help center is always available 24/7, giving the assistance that you require. If you hit any wall, they're always there to help you and guide you. You can have the Shopify Learn and get a step-by-step guidance on how to best set up your business online. There's different courses that are available that you can always take, which are completely free, that can give you a complete understanding of all the different strategies that you need to implement and how to scale those strategies and effectively execute those strategies. You have your community, and also you can ask any topic and they'll be able to reply back to you to ensure that your answer and your problem is taken care of. Now, once you have gone through all of that, you will see a black box on the right bottom hand corner, which will say your trial just started. If you click on it, you'll be able to see that you can enjoy the 3 months of Shopify for $1 per month when you sign up for the monthly basic or starter pack. So we have to click over here where it says pick a plan. And once we click on it, we're going to have the options that are going to come up. And these are the 3 options that are available: the basic Shopify, the Shopify, and the advanced Shopify. Now, if you look above over here, that we are paying monthly, but if you pay yearly, you'll save 10%. If you pay for 2 years, you'll save 20%. And if you save for 3 years, you'll save 25%. Now, obviously, we're going to pay for monthly, and this is the recommendation that I'm going to do to you guys, that always start with the basic Shopify to ensure that you make all the mistakes and obviously have a learning curve that's available, which is not going to cost you at all, to ensure that you actually understand the strategies that you need to implement and execute effectively. So on the basic Shopify account, you will get the transaction fee for all the payment providers at 2%, a currency conversion fee of 2%. You'll get features up to 2 staff members and up to 4 locations. A question that I tend to get asked a lot about Shopify is that what are locations? Now think about this, that you are an organization, you are a business, you're a dropshipping that has and is willing to sell anywhere globally in the world. So you want to select places that you'll be able to sell and make a profit. The location literally means that where in the world that you're going to have your dropshipping business made available. You might have it in India, you might have it in China, you might have it anywhere in Europe, you might have it in Australia or the US or even in the UK or even Russia for that matter. And you'll be able to sell products related to the individuals living in those particular countries. And this is a mistake which a lot of individuals tend to make, that they only select one location and they put all their products in one location. And what happens then is that you do not do a proper optimization of your actual dropshipping business to ensure that the products actually match the age group, the range, and the audience that the items are there available for. That is the reason to make sure that you select multiple locations that you can enhance and give yourself a competitive advantage in the industry. With the second option that's available, which is Shopify, which is for $49 per month, you get a transaction fee for all the payments providers at 1% and a currency conversion fee of 2%. You get 5 staff members and up to 5 locations, and my personal favorite, you get professional reports. And these are crucial, guys, because they give you a complete breakdown of understanding of what is happening in your business, and based upon this data, you can actually make sure that you actually increase your effectiveness, your efficiency, and even your productivity to ensure that you can actually scale the business to new heights. You get a shipping option as well that's available with your plan for $49. But if you go for the advanced, and obviously once your business starts performing and you start getting money, I highly recommend that you go for the advanced Shopify for $299 per month. You get a transaction fee for all the payments providers at 0.5% and a currency conversion of 2%. You even get duties and import taxes rates of 0.85%, and the features which are very unique and very helpful for your business as it grows. You get 15 staff members and up to 8 different locations globally where you can actually start selling. You get professional reports, advanced report builder, and international pricing and duties, import taxes, as well a variety of shipping that's going to be available. And that is one of the reasons I highly recommend for you to go for this particular option. And for the starters and the simplest way to start selling on social media and messaging, you can always go for the $1 for the first 3 months and obviously have one user and be able to understand the dynamics of Shopify. But all the plans include the shareable product pages, unlimited products, and 24/7 support with a fraud analysis and a manual order creation. You even get sales channels and a free SSL certificate and unlimited contacts, as well as marketing automation is added to that as well. Now, combining all these elements together, you're able to create something that is truly unique. Now, the thing over here you have to remember, guys, is always move step by step. Don't run before you start walking. Understand the dynamics of the niche niche that you're in, understand what you're selling and how you're selling it for. And if you have any questions whatsoever, you can always let me know. And if you don't have a Shopify account, click in the description below on the link and get it for 90 days. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on your Twitter, to ensure that every single person knows and can find an opportunity to get the financial freedom that they've always been dreaming about with Shopify. So stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.